Green egg curry. Boiled eggs 4, onion 1 medium, ginger 1 inch, garlic cloves 3, coriander leaves 1 bunch. Make a paste of coriander leaves with pinch of salt and 2-3 drops of lime juice. Ready to start cooking. Split boiled eggs in half. Oil 3 tablespoons. First put onion, garlic, ginger paste. Fry the paste for 3-4 minutes on medium flame. On high flame, onion can burn. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1/4 teaspoon. Fresh tomato puree 1 tablespoon. Fry all for 2 minutes. Add green paste, coriander leaves paste. Add water 2 tablespoons. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Pinch of sugar. Now add the boiled eggs. Spread ghee on top 1 teaspoon. Enjoy with steamed rice, roti, parotha,